Welcome to the best picks. The best Bella Carafe is probably one of the most sought-after replacement carafes on the market, offering a perfect blend of affordability, durability, and compatibility with various coffee makers and beverage dispensers. In this video, we will do a deep dive review of this carafe, exploring its features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Cuisinart DCC 2200 RC Carafe. This is the perfect replacement carafe for your Cuisinart coffee maker. It's designed for easy handling and worry-free pouring. With a capacity of 112 fluid ounces, it's large enough for the whole family or a crowd. Enjoy your favorite coffee without refilling. It features a comfortable grip handle, a dripless spout for clean pouring, and a protective knuckle guard. It's designed with your convenience in mind. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wash it in warm, soapy water or place it on the top rack of your dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. It has clear markings from 2 to 14 cups, ensuring you always brew the perfect amount. Get consistent results every time. This carafe is compatible with many Cuisinart coffee makers, including the DCC 2200, DCC 2600, DCC 2800, DCC 3200, and DCC 3200P1 models. Check your model for compatibility. What we like. It boasts a large capacity, perfect for big gatherings. The dripless spout ensures clean pours every time. If you need a reliable, high-capacity carafe, this is the one for you. What people say. This is the same as the original when I bought the coffee maker. So it is good quality and fits as the old one. Identical to the one I broke. Fits the machine well, same capacity and great replacement. This is literally just the exact fit for my Cuisinart 14-cup coffee maker, and that is all I needed. No surprises, no hassles, it works perfectly. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Replacement Carafe. This is the perfect replacement carafe for your Hamilton Beach coffee maker. It's designed to fit seamlessly and keep your coffee fresh. It's a genuine Hamilton Beach part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. You can trust it to work flawlessly with your machine. It's designed to keep your coffee at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your coffee at its best. This carafe is compatible with several Hamilton Beach coffee maker models. Check the list to see if it fits yours. It's easy to use and clean. Simply pour and enjoy your coffee, then clean it easily after use. Upgrade your coffee experience with this high-quality replacement carafe. Enjoy delicious coffee every time. What we like. This is an original Hamilton Beach carafe, guaranteeing a perfect fit and function. It's built to last, ensuring years of reliable use. If you own a Hamilton Beach coffee maker, this is your best option. What people say. This pot was the exact size as the original and it works perfectly. Perfect replacement for the cracked coffee pot for my Hamilton Beach Flex Brew coffee pot. Because of the Sneak a Cup feature, the pot has to be the same to work. This is the exact same coffee pot that came with the original purchased coffee maker. This was a replacement carafe. It was exactly the same as the original. No issues and arrived in one day. Number 3. CUPALL 12-cup glass carafe. It's time to replace your old coffee carafe. This new carafe is designed for a perfect pour every time. It fits most 12-cup coffee makers, including popular brands like Mr. Coffee, Cuisinart, and Black & Decker. Check the dimensions to ensure compatibility with your machine. It comes in 4 different heights, so you can find the perfect fit for your coffee maker. Choose the one that matches your machine's specifications. It's BPA-free and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Pouring is easy with the dripless spout. This replacement carafe works just like your original one, providing the same great performance. Enjoy your coffee. It fits the Keurig Duo 5100 model, but not the 5000 model. Please double-check your model number before purchasing. What we like. It's compatible with numerous brands, offering great flexibility. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe design. If you need a versatile and easy-to-clean carafe, this is a great choice. What people say. With the smallest fill adapter snapped at place, it fits perfectly and works just like the original did. Fit with our coffee maker with the use of the included top adjustments. Glass is of great, sturdy quality. It pours well, it fit perfectly without using any mushroom tops, and it feels sturdy. Number 2. Cafe Brew 4-Cup Carafe. It's made from high-quality German borosilicate glass. This ensures it's incredibly durable and resistant to heat, lasting you a long time. The large handle and angled spout make pouring easy and mess-free. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe for quick and convenient cleaning. It's designed to work with almost any espresso machine. That includes popular brands like Brew, DeLonghi, and many more. This carafe doesn't just function well, it also adds a touch of elegance to your coffee ritual. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. With a capacity of 4 cups, it's great for everyday use or entertaining guests. The sleek black handle adds to its ease of use. What we like? Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, it's both durable and elegant. The design makes pouring easy and mess-free. If you appreciate quality and style in your espresso routine, this is perfect for you. What people say. The precise measurements on the carafe make brewing espresso a breeze. The universal design fits seamlessly with my machine, ensuring a perfect fit and functionality. The glass is thicker than that of my Cup's original, and it seems sturdy. It has a very slight greenish cast which makes me suspect it is not necessarily borosilicate glass. It fits under a Breville Pro head, so perfect for me. It works great, and I use it daily. Number 1. Cestlaive Hamilton Coffee Carafe. It's important to check if this carafe is compatible with your Hamilton Beach coffee maker model. Make sure to verify the model number before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. This carafe is crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant borosilicate glass. It's also BPA-free and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The comfortable grip handle makes pouring easy and safe. Its sturdy construction ensures it will last. Is your old carafe broken or stained? This 12-cup replacement is designed to seamlessly replace your old one, restoring your coffee experience. Locate your coffee maker's model number on the product, its base, or in the instruction manual. This ensures you get the correct replacement part. If you have any questions about compatibility or need assistance finding your model number, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like? It's designed for select Hamilton Beach models, ensuring a precise fit. The borosilicate glass is both heat-resistant and durable. If you have a compatible Hamilton Beach model and need a replacement, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Fits perfectly, and I am pleased to have a nice cup of coffee when I wake up. Fits as expected, looks good, clean, and durable. Correctly fitted and replaced the stock pot that got broken on my Hamilton Flex Brew model 49956C. Has been as good as the original in every way so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.